Hi, it's Mark from Training Spark, and in this video we're going to take a look at LearnDash 4.16, which was released in September 2024. What we'll do, as always, is head to learndash.com/release-notes. This is where you'll find any information about LearnDash updates. And we can see here there are a couple of new features, some updates and a bug fix. The features are a new registration page UI and some new appearance options for customizing the registration page here by switching it between the classic and modern versions. So we'll take a look at those shortly. There are a couple of other updates. One appears to be here like a minor security update here, and some tweaks which are mainly sort of developer hooks that you can use, and a bug fix there. So let's dive into this new registration page UI. What I'll do in this video is just remind you how registration works in LearnDash. If you are installing it for the first time and you set it up, it actually has some built-in features to set up registration for you. But if you've already got LearnDash set up, then I'll show you the steps for setting up a registration form on your platform. So the first thing you would need to do is head to Settings and make sure under Membership you have Anyone Can Register ticked. And this doesn't give everyone access to your courses immediately. You have control over someone creating an account and then them being able to enroll onto your courses. So what you're doing is allowing them to create an account which they would then be able to use to either buy or be given access to your courses later. So now we've got that activated, what we can do is create a new registration page. So I'm just going to create a new page for now, and I'm going to call it registration. And from here we can choose the block. I'm using the Gutenberg editor here, and we have this option here called LearnDash registration, and this will show you what the form looks like. And at the moment that is the classic version, I believe, of the form, and what they've done in this latest version is created a sort of more modern looking version of that. So we have a few things like setting a maximum width of the registration form here, I believe. Maybe you have to put that into pixels perhaps. So you can put certain features here if you want to. I'll just leave that as kind of default full width for now. And then we'll publish that page. And we now have, once that's saved, a registration page on the platform. Now the best way to view your registration page is to look at it as a in a private window here. So I've just opened that in a private incognito window where we can see that, and I'm not logged in, and I can see what that form looks like. So let's take a look at the settings within LearnDash now and look at how we can then switch that to the new modern layout. So if we go in the left-hand menu here to LearnDash LMS and then Settings, LearnDash has this option here, which is when active, LearnDash templates will be used for the login and registration pages. So I'm just going to enable that. It says Customize Registration Enabled for LearnDash courses. And I think this puts an overlay onto some courses so that it pops up when you try to register, if you're trying to sell your courses or give access to new visitors. So I'm just going to save that. But also on the registration and login tab here where we can control things like the fields that appear on this registration form. So if you see here, we've got username, email, first name, last name, password, and confirm password. These are set here, and we can move around the order of these. So I could move perhaps first name and last name to the top if I want to, and these aren't even mandatory fields, but you can make them mandatory as well, or you can hide them completely. And this is also below here where we would choose if we want to choose the classic or modern version. So I'll just save that first, so you can see that we've moved around the order of these fields. first name and last name now appear at the top. So if you look at that now, that's the classic version, and what they've done in this latest version is added this new modern appearance of the form. So let's save that, and then we'll refresh the form or refresh the page, and we can see that it's in this new layout now. That's by the looks of things got a password strength meter here, the option to show and hide the password, and yeah, it just looks like a more nicely designed form here, doesn't it? So that appears to be the main addition in LearnDash 4.16. So hope you like that video. If you found it useful, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see more like this, please subscribe to the Training Spark YouTube channel.